Hello everyone, welcome to Lee Dynasty Kitchen. Today I'm very happy to share with you one of my new recipe. Very new. Nobody do it yet. With my creation and with my recipe finalized, I'm sharing with you the best way to make the rice cake. Not steam. This is I'm calling grilled rice cake. Believe it or not, in 1 minute you will make 18 cakes. So fast, so easy, and it tastes so delicious. You will have a chance to make more often because it's less time, a lot less time consuming, very fast to do, and the taste is so yummy compared with the traditional way, or even better. So, with my way and my new recipe I'm sharing today, you're gonna love it and you will make more often so you and your family can try it on. One of the very popular dish in Vietnamese. Normally we call steamed rice cake, but with my recipe and my way, I'm call this one is grilled rice cake. This one. This is this mini machine with 18 cake. Actually, this is not made for the rice cake, but I created. So I modified the way I modified the recipe, and what's the way I'm sharing. We call grilled rice cake. The taste, the look is the same with the steam one, or better, but fast and very easy to do. So please join with me today. Come in Lee Dynasty Kitchen, sharing the new way, one of the kind of method to make a yummy rice cake. And here are the yummy grilled rice cake we just made. So delicious. Very easy to make. I'm sure after you watch this video, you're gonna love it and will try it more often because it's so easy. The rice cake was made from very simple ingredient. You can find any Asian store, and the beauty is you can make prepare ahead, and then the leftover you can leave in the fridge, and the next day you can use. So for the ingredient, we're gonna need the rice starch and the tapioca starch. We will need 1 bag equal with 454 grams of rice flour and 100 grams of the tapioca starch. Mix it up with 4.5 water at room temperatures. Mix well, and after that we're gonna add 3 cups of the boiling water. Mix all well, and you can leave it outside for a few hours or leave it in the fridge for overnight. Next day, you will take out the water, sit on the top there, the clear water, and replace with the same equal amount of the boiling water. Whatever you take it out, you put it back. Add a little bit of oil. You can see the oil a bit yellow. It's just because I use the oil used to make for the fried shallot. So it's okay, no worries. Mix well. So now, time to make the cake. So you pour the mix to the cup. So for easier to, drop the mix to the machine. So just fill it up with the hole. You don't have to fill up to the top. Just a little bit less because we don't want to eat too much the starch. But it's your choice, alright? Okay, just fill it up like that. For the first and the second of the round, I will make it slowly so you can see it. So after you fill it up, you will start to turn on the machine. At this time, the machine is not hot because we don't want for the mix to get boiled and then the surface is not as smooth. So turn it on and cover the lid. The machine won't come with the lid, so you can use any lid as long as it fit in there. Okay, the clear one will be better because you can see at first. So now start counting, timing for 1 minute. It's very little of time, so I don't know how you set up in the alarm. But for myself, I will count in my in my mouth. I will count from 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 60. At the meantime, while you're waiting, you can watch your MV. See how nice and relaxing. Cooking cannot be easier than this. So just whatever you do, so counting in 1 minute time. So when the time is up, you can open the lid a little bit before to check. It's no harm. Please remember one thing. Each time when you pour the mix to the machine, you make sure you mix well. You may also notice that for the first round, the cake may not form in the nice shape at first, but no worry. Second one and the one after will be perfect. Always like that. So the more you do it, the machine will get, in the routine. So it will be nice. Don't have to worry when you see the first round not as good. Okay, you may need to have the skewer stick to take out the cake. This is a very easy and best way to do it. I will share the second way to do it, but try to find, everybody have that skewer stick, right? So, and this you can get from the Asian store as well. I watch my MV while I'm doing the rice cake. How easy is that? So, check out the lid. See, you may not see not completely 100% cooked, but it's fine. Just cover the lid back, then turn off the machine at this time. Leave for few more seconds. It will get cooked 100%. Normally, if you count in the way that I'm showing you, it will be perfect. Look how nice. Look at that. Very nice and very soft, very good mix. No different with steam. That one thing we really like it. Look at how nice. This is the way, exactly the way that the bun bell, the rice cake look like. The good one. So see how easy you take it out? Use the skewer stick, poke it out, and then just pick it up. Easy and fast. There we go. You know what? At this time, the machine already off, right? So mix again in the cup there, and then we're gonna start to redo it. Same thing, same way before. Fill it up the hole. Don't have to be completely on the top, because like I say, we don't want to too thick of the dough. Cover the lid. Now turn it on the machine and start counting, or do whatever way you want to make sure after 1 minute you come back. Okay? The rice cake, when you make leftover, you can just put back to the fridge before you add the filling. Okay? Then next day you can warm it up and eat. It's good as fresh. For the whole bag of the rice flour, you will make it in 35 to 40 minutes max. It's very fast. Okay, so time to check it out. Look at that. Perfect. That's what we want. Turn off the machine right away. You can leave it on for a few more seconds. And don't forget to use some empty bowl or pot or small plate, whatever, to keep those, the waters remain on the lid there. Okay? Now time to take it out. Look at this. Very fun. I love it. I love to make this. It looks like you play with a toy. There we go. So, I leave it for you guys to watch in one more time how to make the grilled rice cake, alright? Look at this. This is all the grilled rice cake we just made. Look at how yummy. You see the hole in the middle of the cake. That is the perfect way for the cake to have. This is exactly what we want. See how nice? Just with the little gadget, no steam, we make nice and yummy the rice cake. Look at this. So cute, eh? Beautiful. And remember, the filling I have shared, so please check the link below. Beside the skewer stick, you're gonna use different way to do it. You can use any kind of the lid. They don't have to be the clear one. And then when it's done, you can use just a plastic spoon. Very easy to take it out too. Oops! Don't worry, that accident can happen, but you can take it out the cake very easily. So it's no worry when you have that happen, okay? See how nice and fast? There we go, just take it out. All done. Yummy, yummy, delicious rice cake we make. Very nice. It's no different with the steam. That is the traditional way, but it's a lot faster. Okay, now it's time to add the filling. So there is a few different kind of filling you can add. First of all, we're gonna use chai. Put into the bowl, and you can, after you cut it up the chai, and you can add to the microwave for 30 seconds. And that's it. Put some oil. Remember, put some oil, okay? So, put on top of the cake is the chai, okay? Then the mung bean. Depend on the area in my country, depend on different area, they eat different way. Basically any kind of filling you want, you can add anything you want. So I just share with you the two traditional way they used to eat. So you can add the mung bean, then the dry shrimp, Okay, and again I have shared how to make this in the past, so I will share the link for you later on. Okay, there we go. There is another way that especially in my hometown, they don't eat the mung bean, so we only eat the chai and the dry shrimp only. Tastes very delicious. So you can eat meat in there. Whatever filling you like, you can just add it on. Okay. Don't forget the fried shallot. That will make the extra taste. Okay, so this is all the rice cake we make with different kind of filling. Whatever it is all yummy. The main thing is the dough. That is the main thing. With the right recipe, you will have the best rice cake ever. Look at how nice. And all we need now is the sauce. Remember the video of how to make the bánh xèo, the Vietnamese crepe? I have shared how to make the fish sauce in there. Please take a look at it again. So this is how we're gonna eat with the fish sauce, okay? Please don't forget to support Lee Dynasty Kitchen by subscribe the channel so I can make more yummy dish and share with you from my kitchen to yours. Alright? This is the very nice and delicious grilled rice cake I just shared with you, and I hope you like it. And if you do, please give my video the thumbs up. Okay? And please share so everybody can enjoy the delicious Vietnamese food. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope to see you next time.